How to fix Facebook video no sound problem. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Facebook video no sound problem. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Facebook application on your device. Make sure that you have updated your app and then sign into your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down on this menu page and select Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. You will land on the Settings and Privacy page where you have to scroll down and locate Preferences section. Tap on Media and make sure that Sounds in the app button is turned on. If your button for sounds in the app is toggled off like mine, then you will get the issue of Facebook video no sounds. So you have to turn the button on and turn on sounds in the app option. Ensure that your videos starts with sound option is also toggled on. If it is toggled off in this way, you need to tap on the button to turn the button on and your videos will start with sound. If doing so, your issue has not been yet resolved, you need to check whether your device sound is turned on or not. You can easily click on the volume up button on your device and then click on the three dots here. And on the media, you need to turn the button on and then tap on OK. By doing so, your Facebook video no sound issue will be persist. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.